Well, hello everyone. Today I'll be visiting the Rhyl and Colwyn Bay Welsh coast. But firstly, I called into Garriff Castle, which was used by Celebrity Jungle during the pandemic. Didn't go very well. I got thrown out for using my drone. Someone came out and chased me off, but anyway. Firstly, I'm going to visit this weird cycle path, and then I'm going to end up in Colwyn Bay. What a place to live with that behind you. Right then, so this is a weird way to get across this main road. Oh wow, look at this. Climbing up. And then across the road. They've made all this just for a cycle path. It's hideous. What an awful way to do it. Well, now I'm climbing in between the road. I have absolutely no idea what those islands are. I'll have to say, this bit is gorgeous. I think this must be the old road. How weird is this? They really thought this out, didn't they? Oh my god. Ooh. Big bolts, don't undo them. And now it's going to send you back over to the other side. What a contraption just to get cyclists around. This is awesome, this. I mean, why? Okay, down here. Where am I going now? Jesus. The noise of the cars going over. What's this then? A little path next to the railway? It is a funny part of the world, this, isn't it? It's just really ex-industrial. Here we go. Share with care. Oh, it's got a weird feeling about it. Like the edge of the world. All a bit closed and abandoned. God, there's some lost souls parked up here, isn't there? Ooh. No. What do you think? Does it feel desolate to you? Hello there. I'm going to get one of them when I'm older, I tell you. When I can't drive, I'm going to be tooting around in one of those. It's completely waterproof and he's down by the sea. Say really, I don't know what to say really. It's a lovely little path disconnected from the traffic, but the traffic is so heavy it's off-putting. What the hell is this? Oh, yeah, hey. Oh, that's cool. Right, I want to see if I can go around there. Hey, I'm guessing this is the old road that the bike lane goes around. Not exactly comfortable with cars tearing ours past here. Yeah, that looks quite an old tunnel. 1932. Bloody hell. Right, and here, complete with falling rocks, it's a cycle path. How cute is that? Oh, loving it. Oh dear. Alright, where's the bloody path gone then? Really strange place to be next to the cars. What a beautiful bay. Right, should be able to go across that onto the beach. Hey! A little rest on the beach, I think. This is so weird. All these mad contraptions. Well, this is actually really nice. It's a pity there's a bloody dual carriageway right there. What am I doing? Just, you know, why? I actually feel a bit odd here. It gives me a kind of a weird feeling. Anyway, off to Colwyn Bay, see if that picks me up a bit. Desolate landscape, just full of lost souls hanging around. So far I've been thrown out of the castle for using my drone. So I've nipped down here to see what this is like. I can't believe I got up that, that's insane. All very industrial. I guess it's like slate mining. Watch it, obviously for offloading onto ships. That's the other side of it. I actually made it. I actually made it. Love it. You might be more interested in the giant willy that someone's made on the ground there. So easy to carry this BMX. Here we go. No idea where this goes. Oh, shizen. Should have had a look first, really, shouldn't I? Pick it up here. Well, that's a weird little bit, isn't it? Colwyn Bay. Never actually been here before. Everyone's smiling at me. I love it. Not too fast. I shall just climb up to the top of the restaurant, I guess. Very nice. Back down the wheelchair way. Away. Colwyn Bay Beach. Fresh ground coffee. Oh Jesus! I'm not going on the beach. It just isn't going to work. But you know, I'm going to give it a go, aren't I? I'm going to see what it's like. Is this the right way? Am I sharing this? Here we go. I'm going to have a go on the beach and see how bad it is. It's going to be hilarious. Let's see. Oh my god. I've made a bit of a trench. See if I can get going. Unlikely. Well, you know, did alright. Not bad. Just my kind of place. This looks like the rundown end. Hey! The race is on. Yeah, no pedaling, using its throttle. Shouldn't have a throttle. Excuse me, how slow can you go? He's letting me past. I'm hoping this goes somewhere interesting because I'm using a lot of battery. How cool's that? I'm not going any higher than that. I'm too far from the van. I'm going to say it. How cute is that? I can't really tell what speed I'm doing. I mean, I'm only on half up here. I can catch this guy up. I think he's doing, and he's doing 20. Yeah, I appreciate it's a bit of a miserable day and the schools haven't broken up yet. I'm not sure if maybe I like how desolate the paths are outside of Colwyn Bay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. And my next video will be a bit of a purchase I've made. Am I going here? Very nice. I know, I'm going.